Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, MiMi's Makeup. In this video, we're gonna make a review about this baby from Ives. It's a face scrub. It's Ives Energizing Coconut and Coffee Scrub. It's amazing. It's deeply exfoliates and leaves skin fresh and glowing. It's oil-free and paraben-free. So this one I use it from a while now, just like half of it is empty. And I am in love with this one. I just got it because it have a coconut and coffee in it. I thought it will have a coconut smell, but actually it's more like having not even coffee. It feels like a little bit of coffee, like a cappuccino smell in it. It's really weird. It doesn't have any coconut smell in it, but actually still smells good. It's just like cappuccino with caramel. It's amazing. The smell is amazing. It's not coconut at all, but it's still so good. I love it. It has this like a little bit of, I don't know if you can see the color, but it's just like having this caramel color. And actually it's kind of a harsh scrub, so it's not for a daily use. You can use it like twice per week. That will be like more than enough. It will leave your skin super soft and so amazing. But it's really kind of harsh, have very small granules in it. When you scrub it against your skin, you feel that it really scrub your skin. It's really amazing. I really love harsh scrubs on my skin. I don't know why, but I really love them. So this one, I am in love with it. So I use it like once or twice per week under the shower when everything is warm and nice. I just wash my face and just scrub it with this one like for a couple of minutes and make sure I removed every like the dead skin and just wash my face with the warm water. After that, I feel my face just like a baby butt. It's just so smooth and feels so fresh, and when I look at myself in the mirror, I feel like so glowing, like my skin is glowing after using this product. So I love using it, and when I really want to scrub my face quickly but at the same time I want to have a very nice like glowy skin, this one does the job very nicely, but it's not for daily use. If you're gonna try, don't use it daily because it's really harsh on your skin. So you can use another gentle scrub every single day, but this one once or twice a week is so much like more than enough to make your skin glow and smooth and remove everything and make you glow. So this one is one of my favorite right now. I really love it so much, and I have it from a while, and I guess I'm gonna continue using it until I find something else. So the smell is good, the effect is good. It's kind of a harsh scrub, so for me, I love harsh scrub. So it's very good for me and really refreshing and make my skin glow, and it's beautiful. I love it so much. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it and it was helpful for you. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.
Against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.